We're getting breaking news coming in at this point now this evening. Bank consortium says Vijay Mallya must deposit 40 million US dollars or be present in court. The Supreme Court is to hear the matter next on Thursday. So that's an update coming in with regards to the case against Vijay Mallya by the consortium of banks. The banks have demanded that Vijay Mallya deposit $40 million in $40 million or be present in court. Those are the two options that have been given to him. Abhimanyu Sharma can share further details. Abhimanyu, what really transpired in court today?
Well, today in the court, of course, it has been clearly stated by banks. They have urged the Supreme Court reiterating their demand that Vijay Mallya must deposit 40 million US dollars before the Supreme Court, and if at all he fails to do so in the stipulated time, he must be directed by the court to remain present in the proceedings. The banks have alleged that despite an injunction on the basis of an order by the court, Mallya had diverted the Diageo deal's money to his children's accounts, and the banks have reiterated that they have the first right on this money instead of the fact that this money was diverted to his children's accounts, and now the court will hear this matter on the next Thursday. And of course, this has been the contention by the banks that money available with Vijay Mallya and overseas, which was routed to his children's accounts or to other places overseas, is the money on which the banks have the first right, and Vijay Mallya does not have any right whatsoever to divert the money wherever he wants to. Also, they were repeatedly urging Mallya earlier to return the $40 million he had obtained by means of the Diageo deal, which was diverted to other accounts instead of paying back the loans which he had obtained from banks. So that is a reiteration of demand by means of banks before the Supreme Court. Of course, there are several cases going on against Vijay Mallya in several tribunals across the country, and banks and other financial institutions are trying tooth and nail to obtain whatever money had been given to Vijay Mallya by means of loans, and whatever money requires to be recovered from him by means of interest. But till now, of course, it has only been a long legal battle for the banks with no relief seeming in sight. Of course, it remains to be seen what will transpire in the next hearing, that is on the 9th of March, when this case would be heard before the Supreme Court. It remains to be seen whether the court issues any strict or tough direction for Vijay Mallya, which of course would spell more trouble for Mallya and might come up as a relief for banks.
We leave it there. Abhimanyu, thanks for joining us with those details.